Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an office declutter and organization video. Today we're going to be decluttering my office room and organizing junk drawers in the closet and all types of things. I also moved some furniture around to make it feel more like an office area. So I hope that you are excited. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on lifestyle, home decor, home organization, fashion, and beauty. So I hope that you hit that red subscribe button down below and that you hit that notification bell, that way you're notified on when I post next. So this is basically my office space where I do have my desk and my computer and I work, and I also have like my getting ready area. So basically how this whole like transformation came about was because a couple months ago I started working from home and I really wanted to have a place in the house where I can feel motivated, I can feel productive, and really get things done. And I did have this room, but it wasn't really set up to look like an office, and you know, I didn't really feel motivated. So I decided just to move some furniture around one random day, and you'll see that in this video because it's kind of like a vlog type video. I basically, you know, got done working one day and I was like, you know what, I need to fix this room up. So I decided to move my desk. Moving the desk alone made this room look so much better, and it really opened up the space and made it look like an office. So that kind of motivated me to declutter some of the other like little junk areas in the room. One of them was definitely the drawers in my desk. They were a complete mess. I hadn't touched them in so long, so I decluttered that. And then also the closet in this room. So I had like some office supplies, random things. I definitely decluttered that and definitely got rid of things that I wasn't using and trash that I had. So you'll see that here. So happy with the results. I've loved to come in here and work and get things done, and it really has inspired me so much. So I encourage you guys, if you have, you know, a room in your house that's not inspiring you, and I just, you know, recommend moving some of the furniture around, and you'd be surprised at how much of a difference just moving some furniture around can do. I didn't actually buy anything new in this room. I really just worked with what I had and moved it around, made it look so much better. I do plan to do a whole like office tour video. I show you guys like where all the furniture pieces are from and different things in the room. So stay tuned for that. I do want to buy a new desk, but right now the one I want is out of stock. So I'm waiting for that to come back in stock that you guys will enjoy, and let's go ahead and jump in. Hey guys, so I did not expect to like vlog or anything right now, but I'm currently like in this phase right now where I just want to like redo like a lot of different areas in the house, and one of them that I wanted to redo was my like office room. So honestly right now I just like randomly just decided to move my desk. Ricardo's still not home yet, and he's probably gonna be like, what in the world did you do? But I thought I would share with you guys. I was kind of like sick of having like the desk to the side here, so I ended up moving into the middle, and I actually really like it. So let me know what you guys think. So I have this desk that I've had for so long. I've had it for over 5 years, and I do mean to switch out my desk pretty soon. I haven't purchased the right one just yet, but I will be switching it. But this is what I currently have, so I decided to move it over here. I used to have it on this wall over here, and it was just kind of like up on the wall, and I don't know, it wasn't really like the center, so I really like it right here. I think it looks good. I'm gonna redo those shelves to have other things, but just more like displaying like, you know, things that inspire me, make me happy. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to center either that painting or put a different type of painting there. Then I have this little section here, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with, because that has makeup and this is not the makeup area. So over here I have that couch, which I don't know, I might keep there or I might put on this empty wall behind me. Not quite sure yet. I do have that big mirror, which I do plan to keep there. And then I have the little vanity area section, which I'm thinking of moving that makeup thing over here, but I kind of don't like that because it's right by the door. So we will see what we do, but so far this is what it looks like, and I really like how it looks. I think it looks really airy. I might move the desk more towards the center of the carpet just to center it a little bit better, but so far that's what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the desk and then also take down all the things from the shelves so I can redo. So here I'm just gonna head and clean out my desk. So it's amazing just how a little bit of wiping can really transform your desk. This desk gets so dirty just because it's white. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything from the shelves, and everything just kind of accumulated here. I wasn't really feeling it, and it was just hard to look at because there were so many things on it. So I'm just taking everything down. I had like little trinkets, jewelry, books, all types of things. So everything's coming down. Next, I'm going to give the shelves a good wiping just because these can really collect a lot of dust. So I'm wiping everything down before I start decorating and picking out what I want to display. Okay, so now that I've cleaned off both of the shelves, I need to figure out what I actually want to keep on there and what I want to display. So I just kind of threw everything that I had up there on the floor and just put it all here just to see what I have. So for decoration, I decided just to keep one item per square. I think it was easier to look at, and I really like how it looks. So I just decided to keep a couple of like decorative pieces out, and then I also displayed a purse and actually a couple purses. I just decided to put some of my favorite perfumes on one of them, some books, and I think a picture frame as well. And I really like how that looks, and I decided to keep everything kind of in the same color scheme. So I just picked out gold, some pinks, some whites, some pops of black and white as well, and I really like how that turned out. So I definitely recommend looking through what you have and kind of moving things around and using them in different places. This is all stuff I've had here in this room, but I never really had displayed it. So just moving things around really helps just give it a new look. New day, so today I'm going to be tackling the desk organization. So now we're actually going to organize the drawers in the desk. Now this desk has 2 drawers, and they're complete junk drawers right now. I mean, they're just like packed up to the max, and I really need to go through them, figure out what I want to keep. So we're gonna do that. And then the last thing that I need to do in this room is organize the closet. So there is a closet in this room, random things in there. That also needs some help. So we're gonna fix that. The desk looks great, you know, from this side. I've had this desk for so long. I think I've had it for like 7 years. I do want to get a new desk soon, but right now we're working with what we have. So this is my current desk, and we're gonna organize it. What I do like about this desk is that it has 2 large drawers here, and I love like the wooden finish on it here. I think it looks really nice, but they are a complete mess. Go ahead and clear these out, clean it up. I do have some dividers in here that you can't even see because they're all buried. Let me know in the comments if you can relate to junk drawers in your house. This is definitely one place where a lot of things just get thrown in there, and I have a lot of like pens, office supplies, paperwork, just random things. I mean, it's crazy how much stuff you can accumulate in drawers. So I think that's why it's so important to have some dividers, especially in big drawers like these, because everything can just like roll around in there. So having dividers really helps keep everything in place. So what I'm doing here is just sorting out through everything I have. Oh, these are the drawers that I had in there. I think I got these on Amazon or at IKEA. I can't remember, but I will link some similar ones in the description box so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I'm just wiping everything down, and I'm going to go through all of this stuff in this video. It's gonna look real quick, but honestly it took me like 2 hours to get through all this stuff. And I think the worst part of it is having like little knickknacks that don't really have a home. That's like my worst pet peeve when I'm organizing, and I just find all these little knickknacks and I'm like, where do they go? So I'm gonna go through all this now. Oh my gosh, so after like 2 hours of organizing these 2 drawers, they're finally finished. So let me show you guys what they look like now. And oh my gosh, I am so in love. So on this side, I just kept more of like office supplies, like pens, highlighters, paper clips, some little notepads, things like that. And then this side I kept more of like my techie side. So I have like computer things, phone things, so external hard drive. I have some chargers, headphones, some things for iPhones. These are so good. I'm gonna share these in an upcoming Amazon favorites video, but they're just awesome. Little rings for your phone. Cases, memory cards, phone cleaners. I do have my like glasses that I used, you know, when I'm on the computer. I have these sunglasses that I might move, but for now they're here. Some flash drives, car things. So, oh my gosh, I just love how this looks. Back here I have like some silicone keyboard covers, and yeah, so I am just so happy with the way that this turned out, because if you guys remember, this was a complete mess, and now I can easily find everything. I know where everything is, so looks so much better. To the closet, I took everything out of this closet. As you can see, it was a complete mess. So here I am just taking everything out, and I'm gonna go through and just categorize things. I had kind of like a keep pile, a donate pile, and a trash pile. So I had a lot of tons of paperwork. I had bags. I had just a lot of like memorabilia type stuff. And I decluttered this area in sections because it was definitely very overwhelming. So here I'm just cleaning up and vacuuming, and then I'm going to start putting things away, and then I'm going to get to the top section, which is where I had a lot of like jewelry and bags and stuff. So I'm going to go through all that and figure out what I want to keep and organize it as well. I ended up grouping a lot of things into sections and putting them in like little shopping bags. I thought that looked good and just kind of kept everything neat. So I'm putting away all of my camera equipment and then also the bags. It felt so good to actually be able to walk into the closet. This is a pretty big closet, and I hadn't been able to walk into it. Before vacuuming was hang up some wall decor that I found. So I found this little frame from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and it goes perfect here in my little vanity area. It's just like lipstick, so I thought that was really cute. Then I found this other one I had that says you are fearfully and wonderfully made, and you guys know that I love that Bible verse, so I put that over another one and it fit perfect on my wall. And then I also found this really sweet drawing that Ricardo made me back when we were boyfriend and girlfriend, and it is of the Eiffel Tower, and he is so awesome at drawing, so he made me this, so I love it. I just vacuumed the whole room and finished it off, so that was basically everything. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love that the whole room is clutter-free now. I am just glad that I went through everything in here, so now I'm just gonna vacuum and then we're done. Final look, and I love how airy and clutter-free it is. It is so nice to look at, and it's just a great space that I can come into and feel motivated and ready to work and do what I need to do. So that was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy home organization videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So make sure to check out all the other decluttering and organization videos that I have done on my channel. I will link them down below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.